Going up.
Alright everyone, today we're at 379 Broadway Street. We've got a Schindler elevator with, the MT fire service. What in the world? It's a blue Schindler, that's a first. Interlock, we'll check it on the second floor. 2023, not great. Probably 100, 125 feet per minute. Ooh, rough leveling. 2009. Interesting choice of cab. Yeah, that leveling was not on point at all. The flooring's a little bit rougher on the edges. There's something down there. Don't know what it is. Door operator sounds like a car. £2,100 capacity. Check this leveling. Let's ring the bell. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that says 2009, yeah, August. I'll take it for one more ride. Now listen to this door operator. Literally sounds like a car. And we will get machine room ambience. There is a hole up there. And we'll get machine room ambience. We are not going up again, but we are gonna listen to it. And that will be it for our video. There's the MT fire service. So